In this video, I'll detail how to put password, PIN, and pattern on Samsung phone. So if you're using a Samsung phone and the secure lock type is set to none, then this video is going to walk you through how you can add a secure lock type to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So your secure lock type could be PIN, could be password, and could be pattern. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first one to do, when you want to put a password, PIN, pattern on any Samsung Galaxy device, is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, then locate lock screen and HOD, or lock screen and always on display. Click on that. Once you selected that, locate secure lock type and click on it. Then on the secure lock type page, you have access to all the secure lock type you can choose to on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You have PIN, password, pattern, and here under biometrics, you have access to FaceTime and fingerprint. Now, to set PIN, password, or pattern as your lock type on your Samsung Galaxy phone, select it from the screen. So here I'm going to go with PIN. If I go with password, select password and type in your password. If I go with PIN, select PIN and type in your PIN. And if you're going with pattern, select pattern and draw your pattern. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and go with PIN. Then type in your PIN. After that, click on continue. Repeat the PIN again and click on OK. So if you set in password or pattern, you need to repeat the process just we did on PIN. Then here you should see lock screen notifications turn off. You may want to turn this on and hide your lock screen notifications or show content on lock screen. Then you may want to show content when unlocked. So if this is enabled, once you unlock your Samsung phone, this is going to show your content on lock screen. This may be secure enough, so I prefer to always hide content when screen is unlocked. So once you're done, go ahead and click on done button. Then you should see the PIN set. Then come back here, lock your Samsung phone. From the type in your PIN, password, or draw your Samsung phone pattern. So once you key in the password, click on OK. That is it. So this is how you can easily put password, PIN, and pattern on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.